So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang advanced chat privacy sa ating WhatsApp. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp account or yung ating WhatsApp. Then, pagka-open guys, mag-open lang tayo ng isang conversation. And then, pagka-open ng conversation guys, itap nyo lang yung pinaka-profile picture or profile name na nandito sa upper left corner. And lalabas dito guys, yung profile settings. So, dito guys is bagong update lang or bagong new features ni WhatsApp. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano naman siya i-turn on yung advanced chat privacy. So, hanapin nyo lang guys yung advanced chat privacy dito sa baba. And then, tap nyo lang. And ayan guys, basahin nyo dito kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng advanced chat privacy. So sabi dito is kapag daw naka-turn on, lahat daw ng mga media or mga pictures na sinasend natin is hindi daw basta-basta masisave ng taong pinagsenda natin. So kumbaga parang naka-restrict once na nagsend tayo ng picture, hindi nila yun masisave. And hindi din daw makakagamit ng mga AI features katulad ng mentioning at meta AI or summarizing unread messages. And lastly, hindi daw makakapag-export ng chat na yon habang naka-turn on ang advanced chat privacy. So, ganun yung advantages, guys. So, para ma-turn on, guys, itap nyo lang yung switch button na nandito sa right side. And ayan, guys, kapag naka-green na siya, ibig sabihin, naka-enable or naka-turn on na yung ating advanced chat privacy. So, ayun lang, guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang advanced chat privacy sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day